Coming to you with XCN. If you would read that disclaimer, we're going to get over here on the charts on XCN. XCN is set at 0.0056. She's down on the current day 0.53%. It's been 3 hours and 43 minutes on the new day. Right now, as we can see, XCN is sitting between support and resistance, consolidating right now, waiting on the next move for the market. Do believe that we are going to pull back a little bit in the market. We are in a bear market. Yesterday was the worstest part of it, I do believe. But I do think that we do have 2 more pull downs to go before, and this could happen within the next several months. But in the meantime, as we can see here, we did have volume to push up real strong, get XCN back up from 453 all the way back up to 00591. Just did get above this resistance area right here and pull right back to the right here at the bottom, right here at the top of the support area. So right now she's just stuck in between resistance and support. Just you'll see her consolidate until the market makes a decision. And right now, we operating on low volume, so that don't look good for XCN. We could see a pullback. Now, where could she pull back to? Right here at 00541 down to 00529. This is an area of support right here, right up under this area of support where she's at right now. Okay, where could she go if she loses that? Yes, back down to the 453. The 00453 is her next level of support if she falls below 00529. That means that unless something changes in the market and volatility picks up, once she loses 00529, she's going to come right on down to this area where she found support yesterday. So right now it is looking like we could fall down if we don't get some retail to come in here and start picking up buying XCN. Bitcoin is sitting at 70,600 right now. It fell to right under 60,000 yesterday. It went to 60,000. It might have got right there at the top of right under 60,000, but I do believe we got a little bit further to go on Bitcoin. But right now, it did make a bounce. All the alts made a bounce and recovered. And today, some covered 20, some covered 20, 30, all the way up to 40% and more. So, XCN held up pretty good, really good to me in this pullback. Staying right under, got down to 4, little under half a cent. So to me, it held up good compared to other alts. I mean, you had XRP, it pulled back 25 or 28%, and XCN didn't pull back that far. So to me, that's really good for XCN, the project. So we can look at the RSI right quick if you want to look at that. We'll, as you can see right here, we got to the top. We never got in the overbought zone, but we got to the top of the RSI on the 30-minute chart, and we've been coming down. This is a downward trend. We're losing momentum. Also, on the 1-hour chart, it didn't never get back up to the top of the RSI, and as you can see right here, we hit it on a downward trend. Everything, and right here on the 4-hour, we was in the oversold zone yesterday. We run our way up. We made a lower high over here. Got up to 57, so we started back down on a downward trend. And you can see right here, we didn't make it on the daily chart all the way back into the oversold zone, and that was good. That was from yesterday into the day. You see, You look at the other alts, they fell on the daily chart, they fell all the way down into the oversold zone, but XCN stayed out of the oversold zone. And that to me means a lot. People that are holding XCN, they some were selling, but a lot of them were still holding. So we never got into the oversold zone. So that's real good on XCN. But look for XCN now. If we don't, let me get rid of this. If we don't, this is on the daily chart. We need to push up above to get, we need some momentum to break up above this trend line and get all the way up here at 00761. If we want to get right on back up here next to the 1 cent level. But right now, this is, let me get rid of that line. This is where we at. Basically, we could consolidate from 00566 or 570 all the way down to 00459. Basically, but we'll keep you updated on. We'll come back with another update tomorrow sometime during the day, maybe a middle of the day. This is right at 10:50, 11 p.m. at night. I'm just just giving an update on the XCN. If you would subscribe to the channel, please. Trying to get this subscribe. There's the subscribe button's down there on the bottom right hand corner. If you don't know, it's over there on the bottom right hand corner. But trying to get this content out, trying my best. But it's YouTube is I messed up, and I'm trying to recover from what I messed up from doing. But you can't take a shortcut, not on YouTube, because it'll mess you up in the long run. But anyway, like I say, subscribe to the channel, like the channel. But we'll be back tomorrow to give you another update. But if I gave you where she needs to hold at, if that don't hold, we're gonna move on down a little bit further and find another to the next level of support. But right now she got up to the resistance level and she got rejected. So she's consolidating right now between resistance and support. So we could consolidate there until we get some more volume to come in on XCN, or Bitcoin happen to take another rollover. This is the weekend coming up. There ain't gonna be much volume. A lot of people have been selling off, fearing the market. I think it got down to 5 or 6 in extreme fear. So look for anything, but XCN has held up tremendously good, y'all. Just wanted to come and let you know that. If you hold an XCN, hold your head up, because in this market, that what we just experienced yesterday, XCN held up really good. But that's it for now. We'll see you tomorrow. Until then, God bless you. Subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.